Hometown show here in Perth. The weather isn't the best today, but we always have super good luck with the weather, so fingers crossed it clears up and we get a good show underway. Whole family's here, all my friends. It's good to be in the Hometown show. Super excited to throw down and hopefully bring some new ones out of the bag, so fingers crossed for this weather and let's hit inside. 10,000 tickets sold and 5,000 were VIPs.
And up until yesterday, there was 1,000 VIPs and 2,000 coming to the show, but then Todd put on his jam. 8,000 more tickets sold.
5,000 VIPs. 5,000 of these.
No worries, have a show. Thank you.
Hometown show, we've just finished up. I landed all my tricks tonight, did my double front flip tail whip, won the contest. I'm over the moon, all my friends and family are here, and this has by far been the most incredible week of my life. So thanks to everyone who's been a part of it, and thank you, Perth.